I'm back, you hear me? What good with it? I know I ain't dropped a video in like a month and a half, but I ain't gonna lie, life was whooping my back, you feel me? But so I'm finna take y'all through my day, man. I got so much to do, man. And I missed y'all, man. I missed dropping videos and all that good kind of stuff. So we finna get to it. We got a whole bunch of stuff to work on today. I actually just went and bought a new airbrush. It was time, man. My other ones still work. I got two of them, but they just wasn't as precise as I needed them to be, and I ain't feel like trying to buy just straight up new parts and all that good kind of stuff. So I just went on and bought another one. That's gonna be my detailing one, and then the other ones be maybe like base layers and finisher. So man, let's get it. We got, let me show you. I got a pair of like donuts that I need to finish up. Where's the other shoe? I think the other shoe in my living room. But yeah, so boom, we got a pink and purple type of deal. I gotta put the brown on there, then I gotta put the sprinkles and all that good kinds of stuff on there. On top of that, we have like 3 or 4 jokers to do. I don't know if I'm gonna get all of them done today, but it is what it is. Whatever we gonna do, we gonna get done. Then I got some soccer team shoes to do. I got actually 4 pair though. Man, I got some more work to do, y'all. That's what I'm saying, man. You know, yeah, but we finna get to it. Y'all just follow along, man. Let's get it. Alright, and because I know how much y'all love to see me paint, I was filming some stuff, so I might just throw it all in this video, make like a, I don't know, this mug might be like 20-30 minutes long, just to try to catch up a little bit. I know it's been a long time, so I know y'all probably would want a longer form video. So, you know, yeah.
I don't know if you feel the way I do, but baby, you might be my wife one day. Cause I want you and baby, you making my life okay when I'm with you. So baby, can I get a second with you? You make me feel like I could levitate. Yeah, I know sometimes my love is hesitate. I get confusing with you, baby, but it's all okay. Yeah, I just need you right by my side today. We just talk, give me a second. Talk to my partner like these my confessions. Call if you need me, girl, I don't be texting. You know I be busy, just leave me a mess. Your friends and mine both know what it is. I got options, girl, but that ain't how I live. I told my partner that I was done. He said I'd be back, ain't trip, he keeping it real. I ain't even tripping, cause you know that you mine still. Just seeing you on FaceTime, my immediate girl, you fine still. I gotta be honest, girl, I need you by my side still. Swallowed on my pride for real. You give me a moment, tell you I'm sorry. You the type need to be shown off at all of the parties. You the type I can take anywhere that all of my dogs be. So baby, please don't trip on me, oh no. You gon' do what you want to, I'ma do what I'm gon' do. We can go our separate ways and come back together like I want to. And it's hard to show my love, baby, everybody know that I want you. You can ask whatever you want to, but that mean what you want to do. I go wherever for you, in the rain with a shovel for you. I can spend time and money, don't matter, I'm doing whatever for you. I know they gon' speak on whoever I was, I change for the better for you. I'm changing the weather for you, if they turn up, I'm breaking the level for you. I don't know if you feel the way I do, but I know you might be my wife one day. Cause I want you, and I know you making my life okay when I'm with you. So baby, can I get a second with you? You make me feel like I could levitate. Yeah, I know sometimes my love is hesitate. I get confusing with you, baby, but it's all okay. I just need you right by my side today. Yeah.
Yeah. 901 key.
Okay, alright y'all, so I just wrapped up the little donut portion, the brown vegeta tan or whatever portion of the donut shoes that I'm doing. So now I'm debating on if I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. I don't know if I'm gonna go ahead and sprinkle them and do the finishing and all that kind of stuff. I don't know. I may get going on these jokers real quick. But y'all just keep rocking with me, man. We may have to go to the post office, all that kind of stuff. I may have to pick up some materials. I don't know. It's another full day, super busy. But we gon' rock out the Gamma Squad. Yeah. What's good with it, y'all? So this is all gonna be in the same video. So I'm finna show y'all what I just got. I've been trying to do more on the vintage lane and stuff like that for my flea markets, because the stuff been doing pretty decent there. So what I've been doing, I just been ordering some stuff, hitting the thrifts more often, and all that good kind of stuff. So the pack jet drop jet landed, it going down.
I just landed, it's going down. I pull up at the trap and I look around. Welcome to Dolph World when you land in my town.
If y'all know, you know. You know what I'm saying? But just got this junk in. I honestly don't even remember the shirts that I ordered and stuff like that. If I'm correct, it was a few. I don't even remember how many shirts I ordered. I don't know. We finna see though. You feel me? I'm gonna run through them because we gotta go to the Bass Pro Shop too to get some more hats. If y'all want some hats like this, just DM me and you will get the squad price. Just let me know. Say on squad and I got you on this squad price. So, okay. This size extra large. This a V-neck. But bone. Little Tweety bird, Jan. Yeah, man. Oh, these finna have to get in the wash. Let me show you that order. Oh yeah, I'm probably gonna keep this junk. I ain't gonna lie. Let me see. Extra large? Yeah, it me. Yeah, it me. Y'all know my favorite color, pink. I don't care nothing about it being Minnie Mouse. You know what I'm saying? My favorite color, pink. Yeah. But another Minnie Mouse junk. Is this single stick? Yeah, single stick, yeah. So yeah, that's another one that's probably gonna be yeah, boys. You know what I'm saying? Speaking of which, this one of the junks I bought off Whatnot too. So dang, this is a big junk. I actually had this shirt before for myself. This look like a 2X or something like that. Yeah, that's exactly what this is. I had one of these guys. Ooh, that mug got some stainage on that. Ugh. Somebody done doo-dooed on the back. But dang, that's all I got? I just bought 5 things. I don't know, bro. I done ordered so much stuff, I don't even know. But another one, got a little crew neck. What is it? Okay. Size large. Y'all know I love nature and stuff like that. So I don't know if I can fit this one though. It look a little snug. But anyway, man, that just was the little box I got for today. A little haul and everything. Now let's go to this Bass Pro Shop.
She just want all the dough. I just want all the smoke. I'm tryna pull her, get all the dough. They put it all on the floor. Run it up all I know. They tell me around, we want all the smoke. Hey, you know I'm good for whatever. Ain't no checking, I'm going wherever. Heard he a demon, I ain't even tripping. I'm good when he smoke with the devil. Change my life and now I'm living better. Pay my time cause I get to the cheddar. In the trenches, I feel like I'm David. I'm good where I go, I can rumble whoever. So tell me whose side you playing. I don't trip on the lies you saying. Cross on my heart with the X on the enemy. I don't be tripping on man. Ain't really into the sauce, I just been living.
What's up, y'all? I got the sprinkles done. I think I showed y'all a couple sprinkles, I'm gonna be honest, man. I've been having to work. But I showed y'all a couple sprinkles and all that kind of stuff. Got the sprinkles done, about to put the finisher on. Had to go ahead and dip to go get that word. You feel me? It's Wednesday, so you know I'm in Bible study every single time. Feel me? But now I'm about to put this finisher on, get done with these donuts, and I'm probably gonna start on the jokers now. And it is currently like 9:30 or close to 9:30 and all that kind of stuff. Plus, We got a package about to drop right now. Got to get some t-shirts done. Might show y'all some of that. New heat press. I told you, hey, God got us. You feel me? So the heat press is a couple stops away. So I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of the t-shirt making process and all that good stuff. So
in my life, they be like, hey, where you been? I'm out the way, I've been living for Christ. Oh, it's hard, but I make it look easy. Put the maintenance and ride like I'm pizza. I be tripping, I'm trying to do it on my own till he come through and get what I need. Get my life back to God, I don't play with the devil. Whenever he talking, I'm leaving. All these blessings that I've been receiving, I ain't tripping, I know he deceiving. Ain't no question, we constantly working. Need a hairstyle, meet at the surface. She don't be tripping on person, but once I get millions, I buy her a Birkin. She the type to go there for the Lord, but you never see her on the internet twerking. Best believe it, ain't nobody perfect, but I promise the shot that she worth it. I be sipping communion like potion. I ain't tripping, I gave my life back to the Lord ever since I've been having emotion. Gave my life up to Christ and I've been living right ever since that I've been having motion. Once I dove in that book, started reading my work, getting saved became more than a token. I used to be VIP with like 2 on my hip, ain't no cap, I was fly as a locust. I used to hit 3 or 4, maybe more in the week, body count going high as the ocean. He saved me, I'm living better, they notice. He made me better than I was before this. He gave me a whole new level of focus. Close to the world, but now I'm living open.
Don't get me started. We taking off luncheon like the Misses and the Rockies. Holding on to better days. Don't tell nobody. Don't get so stuck up in your ways that something won't ever change. This ain't a game.
alright, y'all, so we got them done, man. They looking real good. Get these shipped out tomorrow. Get them to my guy. Probably finna start on these jokers here in a minute. As y'all seen, the little press. Working on t-shirts and stuff right now as well. So I'ma just keep on working until I can't work no more, and I'm bring y'all along with me. Feel me? Alright, I just snap. I just put the dye on these little toe caps and stuff, getting ready to do this joker thing, man. So I'm a little tired, y'all ain't gon' lie. Been up since about 6 this morning working.
Up in the way, find a way, find a way, find a way, find a way. Every day you gotta find your way. On the beat when I get sick, this is my meditation. Get a close up, zoom in like you watching cable, yeah.
Alright, y'all, so it is the next day, and we working on these jokers right now. We got 2 pair we working on, and then I gotta do a complete set, his and hers pair of some soccer shoes. So soccer themed shoes. So yeah, man, let's just keep getting to it, bro. My bad, y'all. I didn't turn the camera on. I had to get to it, man. I'm sorry. But it's all good, though. Just got these wrapped up. Finna get them sent out and all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? If y'all want y'all a pair of these, you know what to do. Just hit me up in the DM. Cadet_B7. And just tell me your squad, and you know, you get that discount. You feel me?
Life ain't gon' always be fair. Yeah. Never thought that I could make it this far. Here we are, tryna heal from all these permanent scars. So far, all she wanna do is break my heart. So I got my guard up. I ain't had no sleep. Tough time in the streets. I don't want I'm tryna leave. You got a bone, pick it with me. Stay on line, sometimes insane, and it's plain to see.